My name's Chad. When I first started, it was just a hobby, just something I kind of dabbled in. 4 years ago, I started getting really serious about it. But what I did is I would just go onto website, YouTube channel, this and that, and just hop. I'd start a strategy and go, oh, darn it, that doesn't work. And then I'd jump to another strategy and I'd just jump to another strategy, kept hopping around. And I really wanted to be a full-time trader, do it for a profession.
First of all, like all of traders, I was trying loads of indicators and loads of EAs and all kinds of things. Quite a lot of years.
Why did I decide to start trading? Is because my business is very time consuming and time was really becoming a big issue for me. Do other things apart from my work, which was already very time consuming. It still was worth pursuing it.
Hello everyone, it's Daniel Martin from STT Trades Imperium, and this is the Golden Trader Program. It's for anybody that struggle to be a successful trader. They struggle with the psychology, they struggle with the strategies, they're looking for one strategy to another. They just start dreaming to be a trader. They don't know which strategy to take. The Golden Trader Program is for you to get that right moment that you say, aha, this is my strategy. Finally, I got what I'm looking for.
I liked the strategy. I just switched more and more from my pullbacks to only STT, and the performance was just incredible.
And I founded the CTI, the City Traders Imperium. Was amazing, really amazing, the strategy from Daniel.
Already, just in this 2 months, my trading skill has increased. Like I haven't even started trading the STT yet, but I'm starting to learn it. I'm starting to understand it a lot more. But you've just helped me refine what I brought to the table already, which has made me a much better trader. So even if you have other strategies that you want to refine, it's still worth it for the trading.
It is not about where you're going to learn a strategy that will be able to make you money or not. Where you're going to learn is actually thinking as a trader.
I didn't take all trades. You can relax. You don't have to watch your screens all day and all night and be with your iPhone and looking on your trade the whole time. Just relax.
After you put all the pieces together, it really makes sense. You don't have to be right. Within the range, nobody is buying or selling there. You're the first one to get in on that trade. Why you don't do that?
What's impressive with the program is, one, I get access to you. It's crazy that I get access to the CEO, someone who's been doing this for how many decades. And not only that, is like, you don't tell me like, hey, forget everything you've learned and just learn my way. You actually say, oh, tell me what you have. Let's work through it. Let's take what works and refine it and make it even better. And if you want to, you can also learn it my way, which works really well.
You can be a good swing trader, you can be actually day trader, you can be actually a position trader or scalper or mechanical trader. It doesn't matter. We cover all that. You're wasting too much time in many other places, but not with me.
Really amazing. It's worth every penny.
I can attest it's worth the money and more. You will gain an edge in your trading by signing up. I suggest everybody do it.
Join me on the Golden Trader Program.